Janet, look up and smile.
Come on. Smile.
You're going to want to see this later, Janet.
The ice just fell out.
Hey, Janet.
Janet.
You brat.
Proud of it.
Ah, red sore.
I didn't think so. You're gonna need 3 hands, Dad.
That's what happens when you're bad. Daddy hits you.
Next time I tell you to do the dishes, you do it. It's too late, Ozzy.
Come on, I gotta show Lynette what not to do.
Whatever you do, don't refuse Skippy peanut butter. Or you end up like this.
I got this behind. Oh, one minute. Okay. Okay, sit down.
Okay, sit down. Get your bandage changed.
You weren't my father to put you off.
Well, that's the only thing I ever asked you is respect for your father.
Nobody else.
And your mother.
One second. Yes. I almost got it.
You gonna take that off so I can see it or what?
It's coming, it's coming.
What are you checking over? Why are you shaking?
It hurts.
Ew. God. Oh, look at the little dinky glue that left. Oh, there's 2 of them.
That's where they did the brain surgery, huh?
Yeah. It's my brain surgery. Again.
You went to the doctor today? He didn't change that?
I went to an ear, nose, and throat specialist. It feels like a bandage on here. It's not. It feels so weird.
That's the water buildup inside, protecting your skull.
Funky.